Everybody's climbing, trying to get to the shore. Skin soft and smooth. I'm talking about my knees.
Hey guys, my name is Hlomla. Welcome to my channel, and today I am coming to you with a really short video on how to flat twist, mainly because it's one of my frequently asked questions. So it's gonna be straightforward, 2 minutes tops. Okay, no, I'm not doing this with you guys. But before we get into the video, you guys know what to do. Like, share, comment, and if you're not yet a subscriber, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos that you haven't watched. So I'm just gonna be showing it to you guys like on a really small part, because like the best way to learn is to learn in smaller sections. So I'm gonna be using this section. Let me just put the rest away. Under the shadows, no limits, she craves. So you want to make sure that it is this is just water. You want it to be detangled so that your fingers can easily glide through. So when you feel like the section is adequately detangled, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a smaller section right at the beginning of that section, and then you're gonna split that same section into two, as though you're about to do a normal 2-strand twist. At the beginning you twist normally like you would a 2-strand twist, and then you use your index finger to pick up hair as you go. So whichever section is closest to the bigger section, you add to the hair that you separated with your index finger, if that makes any sense. Yeah, but you see what's happening. When you run out of hair, what you do is you just twist it down like a normal 2-strand twist. So we're going over this one more time, okay? And remember guys, the more you practice, the easier it'll be for you to do even bigger sections. The smaller sections are just for practicing, so you can just practice on smaller sections on your own hair.
Everybody's climbing, trying to get to the shore.